Hello guys, welcome to Spyro Tech 365. In this After Effects tutorial, we are going to create this. Now, create a new composition. Name it as what you like. Set preset is HDTV 1080p. Change the frame rate to 30, set the time duration to 10 seconds. Follow the steps with me till the end of this video. Change the parameters of effects and presets like I do. I hope we will do something amazing at the end. Create a new solid layer by pressing Ctrl+Y and choose a color of the solid. Apply a CC Star Bruce effects on the layer from Effects panel. Change the value of scatter to 200 and size to 29. Apply echo effect and change the value of the parameters like I do. Insert a keyframe for speed and number of echoes at the beginning. At 1 second, insert 2 for speed and 100 for number of echoes. At 2 second, insert 4 for speed and 200 for number of echoes. At 3 second, insert 5 for speed and 250 for number of echoes. Select all the keyframes, copy them all and go to 4 second. Then pass them by pressing Ctrl+V, press N for the end of work area. After that, create an adjustment layer and apply optics compensation on that layer. Change the value of the parameters like I do in here. Then apply tint effect and change map white to a color what you want. Then apply glow effect and change glow radius to 73. There we go. Okay, now our animation is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative, entertaining, or inspiring. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. We love hearing from our viewers, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family if you think they would enjoy it too. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.